Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of entrepreneurship and exploring what it means to thrive in the entrepreneurial environment. So, what exactly is the entrepreneurial environment? Well, from what I've learned, the entrepreneurial environment is the external factors and conditions that shape the opportunities for entrepreneurs or young startups. One major factor is capital. But why is capital important for starting up a business or for an entrepreneur? Here's my personal take based on personal experience. Securing capital is a critical step to turn your ideas into reality. You can't create the products you envisioned out of thin air. You need capital for it. Remember shows like Shark Tanks or Dragon's Den. The entrepreneurs present their ideas for products to the investor and try to persuade them to invest in their business to gain capital. But capital doesn't come from investors only. You can even use capital from your own pockets, which is called bootstrapping, and create that dream business of yours into a reality. Let's dive deep on how to gain access to capital. For entrepreneurs, access to capital can make or break your business development. Capital allows your business to develop, such as product development, hiring talented individuals, or penetrate new markets. Not only that, capital acts as a safety bubble for your business. Access capital is crucial to tackle unforeseen problems in the market or business landscape. Whilst capital isn't the only primary factor to tackle these problems, it is, however, an important asset for your business. However, securing capital is often filled with obstacles and uncertainties. Entrepreneurs must learn to navigate the complex landscape of gaining ways to fund their business. Traditional methods such as securing bank loans or venture capitals are methods of accessing the capitals you need. But there are other alternative avenues, and one of them is crowdfunding. The thought of bank loans can be stressful, but you can pitch yourself a good business idea through crowdfunding. So these are my personal experience. My entrepreneurial journey has highs and lows. Bootstrapping became more than just a funding strategy for my business, but it turned out into a mindset with limited access to external funding for my business. I had to think deep and manage the funds like crazy to fuel the growth of my business. But the journey, tough for sure. Limited resources and capital isn't fun, and as ideas keep popping off my head, but the money isn't there. The upside of all this, I learned perseverance and handling money properly and identifying which key areas within my business is needed to be focused upon. I remember back then, my workplace isn't some fancy office. It was my personal bedroom. Friends would come along and input their ideas, and every decision to my business is driven by full commitment whilst minimizing cost. Through fire and grit, I learned one invaluable lesson in this, and that is discipline. The lows that I faced made me resilient when tackling issues. When the toughness gets hard, you need to break it through sheer will and perseverance. But the outline of all this, the business grew stronger and I grew stronger as well, and that is the personal experience that I wanted to share with you guys. In the end, bootstrapping isn't just about funding. It's the journey from step 1. Building that framework from an idea you just thought about out of nowhere and creating that from nothing. Anything is possible in the entrepreneur world. With that, that's all I can say for today's vlog about one of the key factors of entrepreneurial environment and capital. Whilst I can say my experience will apply to all of you guys, I hope I can give you some insights on my personal journey. Maybe you might have the same journey as myself. I hope you find today's video to be helpful. Your journey starts off by taking the first step. Until next.